Hello everybody. This would be a demo for a recently restored Sony TC-FX707R. It's top-of-the-line model with reverse heads from 1984, I believe, or 83. This deck plays records really nice, so let's start demo from playing song from album Acoustic Rock. I hope you will enjoy it.
It's been 7 hours and 16 days since you took your love away. I go out every night and sleep all day since you took your love away. Since you've been gone, I can do whatever I want. I can see whoever I choose. I can eat my dinner in a fancy restaurant, but nothing can take away these blues. 'Cause
Okay, now let's try to find next song. So I switch into the automatic music search. This is not blinking, like as you may see. And now, let me see. It's searching for the next song. I believe I like to get to the next song. Now reverse.
Neath the black, the sky looks stand. Call my name through the cream, and I'll hear you scream again. Black hole sun, won't you come? Wash away the rain. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come? Won't you come? Stutter, call them down, steal the warm winter. my youth I prayed to keep heaven send their way. No one sings like you anymore. Black hole sun, won't you come? March away the rain. Black hole sun, won't you come? Won't you come?
Okay, as you may hear yourself, it plays really nice. So I did a full restoration of tape transport, fully disassembled, removed old lubricant, put the new lubricant here. Also, I had to clean up and make sure that head will work well. Now, I'm put a new battery with new battery holder. So now battery is removable, and the older was fully soldered. In real life, it's not blinking like that. It's just because it's the sun on the backlight, so you may see. So that's when phone is changing a little bit. Okay, so now let's try to record. So I'm installing type 1 tape. It's automatically defines that it's type 1. I will set into record mode, and here we will use my manually adjust tuning. You see, it's volume, so you don't need to tune anything. No crackling sounds, nothing. Okay? So for example, I may go to the maximum. And for this tape type, so it should not exceed 2 decibels, so it will automatically look to set this level. So let's start playing. We will be playing. It's too much. You see, it's adjusting automatically. Recording. Let's try a different song. Okay, it's been 2 minutes. I'm reversing. Let's go to 0. just use the automatic fader. And it's put on pause after doing that. So when we started, automatic level was minus 13 decibel. And then when there was a loud sound, it's reduced it to minus 18 decibels. So I was able to see how everything works. Okay, now let's play and see how it will sound from recording. Was older recording. Now it will switch to the one we did. Here. Let's rewind a little bit to the part with high frequencies. That's how I stopped recording. As you may see, it did a great job recording. And it was type 1 tape. So I like the balance in this deck. It has just enough bass. And the sound reminds me Sony TC-FX707R. Maybe not so clean, because this deck has lots of electronic microchips to adjust levels, right? That's probably where it's maybe not so clear from the sound perspective. But all in all, balance is right there. I pretty much like the sound. Now, let's record on type 2. And what I see, it doesn't show me type 2 for some reason. Here. Type 2. Now ready for record. Let's check.
Why should I go for it? There's no reason for it.
automatic fader did work for us. So now let's listen what we recorded. Okay, I believe it was very good, like very close to original, and I like this sound balance. So now let's check how it plays on this deck. So you may hear so that the recording is very good, levels exact, everything is balanced. I pretty much like it. And the last, let's do recording on the type 4 tape. Okay, let's define it type 4, counter reset. Let's see what we can get here. Let's do a different song. let's listen. Much higher levels on the metal tape. So, as you may hear, it records really well. Considering age, just beautiful, right? Again, like levels, sound patterns, like sonically, it's very good. It reminds me of the first generations of like Sony decks. Like the last one I've heard the sound, this was K700. I'm pretty much enjoying it. So it has multiple features. So we can write memory. For example, we can adjust levels, output levels. We can set Dolby noise reduction C, and then write, you see it's blinking, to the A. And for example, turn off full levels and write it to B. Okay. And now I can quickly switch between one position and another position. And this will remember it all the time. And like as soon as I touch something, it will say that it's currently not showing the remembered position, but I still can quickly revoke this from the memory. Okay. It will keep counter position in memory. It has multiple direction modes, quick reverse sensor, even type 3 tapes recording capabilities, counter. So it has function memory, so we can program what we like to do. For example, we have tape operation, so we can put AMS blank skip or music scan. And when we will click play, it will play 10 seconds from each song. Function memory is pretty cool thing. So I can, for example, start programming. So it will be play, then rewind, then play again, then play reverse, and then like rewind forward, and then start. And it will follow this program. So it will get to the end of the tape, then we'll rewind, play it again, then play reverse, then rewind. So that's how it will work. Like. And as soon as I click stop, it will clean up this program. Very nice deck, timer recording, everything. I have an original box with a phone for it. So let me know if you're up to. Please send me a message to my email, hifirulis@gmail.com. A nice deck, mint condition. You see from all sides is a very good shape. It's almost like new. And from the back as well. So here. Very good deck. I highly recommend. Thank you. See you in my next videos, and bye-bye.